Let's talk. It's been a while. Let's talk. No idea what, but it's Sunday. It's cold. It's rainy. 22nd of December 2024. Last few days of 2024, and I'm sure everybody feels, oh my god, time flies. I have no idea how the year went. Well, at least for me, it's been like a wow, fast forward, even though at times I felt oh, it's too slow, and never ending story that continues. But then fortunately we've created some inspiring reels and posts and stories that actually how do I say this, show me for myself that yes, we've had some good moments, great moments. We've had some challenging moments also, but we somehow managed to turn them around. And I feel I've learned so many important things this year that if things go as I would not say as planned, but I have it in the back of my mind. But let's see if I land up doing it, because it's a lot of hard work, and I honestly don't receive anything in return. Not even a like, not even a gesture of appreciation that yes, it has helped me. I mean, there's absolutely no feedback from my so-called followers. They are silent watchers, but to each his own. I don't mind. People want to see, people, whatever, that's up to them. So a couple of years ago I had done, and it took me a long time. It was really tough, and it drained me out. 22 life lessons of 2022, and it was really, I felt one of my best videos, timeless videos that would be like inspiring and learning for so many people, that I wanted to do it in 2023 also, but the sheer content creation, the life lessons that I had created, when I went to compile it into just 23 lessons, I was like overwhelmed, and I didn't land up doing it, which is okay. I'm not going to beat myself up to it, because if people are really, I feel they want to learn something in life, they will go out of their way and scroll through and actually learn. Because when you are really in that mode of life, when nothing is working and you are like, okay, it's time for me to work on myself, you will go and search people. You will find really, like, sometimes I am in so many things I want to learn, because actually, come to think of it, education costs a lot of money. If you want to learn from the best, sometimes study the best and do something, it costs you money. And when people don't have money, then what? Does that mean that they are not going to study for the rest of their life, or they're not going to learn? No, they're going to learn. But for such people, they will go and find anything. They will make that effort to learn for free, in the sense they will learn not for free. I would say that doesn't, for free actually. For example, I've learned a lot from people just by observing them. It's not like they sat and taught me, but I observed them. How they do, what they do. Then I go on search YouTube videos where there are people who have not shared their whole thing, but whatever the gist, the essence of it, I've tried to learn from it, and then it's some self-reflection. So sometimes we may not have that kind of money, we may not have that opportunity to learn from the best, have the best of mentors, teachers, etc. Fair enough, doesn't mean we are going to stop there. The reason is very simple, because you have to show yourself also sometimes that so what if I don't have it, I'm going to make the most of what I have. And I have lived by this, and I have I would say walked upon that and it's a direct reflection in my life as it's turning out. I'm sure I've mentioned this before. There was a time I used to go to gym regularly, and my time frame was in the evening. And then 2020 came, and I was like, okay, I think I'm not gonna go gymming anymore, and I gave up my gym membership. I was devastated because for me, my gym membership is like my shrine, my escapism, my go-to place wherever I want to. And giving that up was challenging, because now I was like, wait a minute, now where am I going to go? So that was so challenging. But I think life wanted me to give that up, as challenging as it was. I made sure that I still remember I used to do home workouts, looking at all the free YouTube videos that instructors have given and put it up on YouTube, and I would do it. So I showed myself that, okay, you've taken this away from me, doesn't mean you've taken away that exercise, what's that word for it, that thing out of me that will stop me just because I don't have a. So I used to go for a walk, long walks, put up my ankle weights, search for extensive YouTube videos and find which instructors videos I like the best to follow and work out with them. And there's so many. Point I'm trying to make is, until you get the best of mentors, the best of gyms, the best of whatever you want in life, the best of education, whatever you want in life, until you get it, find ways to connect with it. In the sense, go find that fortunately there are a lot of good souls who've created free content and put it out there for people who cannot afford yet, and I perhaps that is the very reason I have gone out of my way. I never thought of creating these videos from the point of view of earning money from it. As much as I believe me, how much I need money in my life, you have no clue. I never ever felt into that trap of I want to make money out of it. Because I know that I have learned from a lot of people who have created these free YouTube videos, and I was like, if I can learn, and now I can create for so many people until they can afford it, until I can afford to have the best of mentor, best of education, the best of opportunities, and I would not say even best of opportunities, just a simple opportunity. Until then, I will create this because I know what it feels to be on this side. And if you've not been on this side, now if you're on the other side and then you're teaching people and you're saying, oh, you should do this and this, I am sorry, I don't believe you. Because if you've not walked upon this path, if you've not suffered enough, if you've not gotten yourself out of the mud, please do yourself and everybody a favor, don't talk about it. I see a lot of people who they are wearing these golden robes. I'm sorry, with all due respect, they are giving relationship advice. Have you ever been in a relationship? If not, please don't advise. Please don't advise. And I don't even listen to that advice. I will listen to an advice from person who's had hundreds or a few heartbreaks and how they got themselves out of it and eventually found themselves a soulmate. I would listen to those people. Because if you've not had a million heartbreaks, you have no idea what are you carrying within, what pain you feel. It's easy for me to sit and talk about go to gym. If I know what it takes for me to go to gym, I know what it takes from me to pay up that gym membership. And mind you, the gym membership that I'm paying for, it's worth every penny. It's worth every penny, every euro. Because if it was coming back to the gym, if it was not that phase of me giving up that gym membership, I would not be here today. I would not be coming to this part of the town. This is the best part of the town, and I'm coming to one of the best gyms where there are amazing instructors. Not that gym did not have, but it was time for me to shift. And that in between phase, 2 years, 3 years of no gym membership. Oh my God, if you can handle that and you can continue to push through, find all the YouTube videos and continue to exercise and keep yourself in that momentum, that's that challenge for you. Now God will give you the best. Now God will give you the best, because He's tested you. That, oh, when I didn't give her enough, when I took away from her all that what she had, and now even then she continued. Now though this she deserves it. So let me give her. That is when you become worthy of the best in life. To learn from the best, because if you want to be the best, you must admit that you need some really good people who've devoted their lives to learning. Their entire lives have gone in learning, and now they are sharing that knowledge with you. And of course they are going to charge for it, and of course you must be willing to pay for it. And if you don't have that means yet, no problem. No problem. God will give you this means. Until then, go out of your way, be a seeker, search all the free content that people have created, because sometimes they see this world is such now. I have only 2 minutes left. I'm gonna go. This world is such now, unfortunately. It's money is a means of exchange, and we need it. And I have learned, as much as I did not want to be money minded, I've come at a point where I feel 2025 for me has to be about a new money mindset that I've been working on myself, and I'm hoping that it will begin to sprout. Because I have invested a lot of myself in creating these videos. I walked upon it, and I have no idea who it has helped, who it has not helped, but I knew that I'm not the only one. There are many like me, and my wish has always been that I want to connect with those people, because together we can come out of it even better, stronger, and So anyways, I've reached my gym. So it's raining, it's vacation time, but then since I have nothing to do, let's make the most of it and go work out. So enjoy your Sunday, enjoy the last week of December, and let's make the most of last a few days of 2024. So yes, we can make the most of 2025. Yeah, see you guys.